Hi, good morning. So to start off this video, I'll be explaining OSHA and the veterinary regulations. So OSHA stands for the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. OSHA basically lays the foundation for a safe and healthy work environment. It informs workers of hazards in the workplace and should provide warnings of hazardous areas in the workplace, plus give proper protective equipment and on-site training. All vets offices should have an OSHA safety plan. Next up is understanding workplace regulations. This can mainly be based on your vet's office and how they operate, but the main focuses would be if you're injured, notify your supervisor, and you may have to fill out a report. Also, notify your supervisor if you become at risk for illness. For example, if you become pregnant, have a hurt back, so on and so forth. Next up is explaining proper labeling of secondary containers. You always want to label what is in the container as well as how to use it. Also, never mix two or more chemicals unless the bottle clearly states to. Next up would be to demonstrate safe handling and disposal of sharps. You never want to overfill the sharps container. Always throw away the sharps in the proper and designated sharps container, and never recap a needle unless needed to. And if so, know the proper one-handed technique. If you are poked by a needle, make sure you clean thoroughly at the area that you were poked, and do it as quickly as possible. Lastly, following guidelines in collecting and disposing of hazardous materials. Know how your vet's offices disposes of them and where they dispose of them. As for sharps, normally you'll put them in a special box, maybe like a cardboard box, and it has a hazard symbol over it. Just know when and where that is, and whenever the pickup for that is, so you know when to dispose of them. As for chemicals, ask your vet how to dispose of them. But other than that, I think that is it. So thank you and have a great day.